So many things have been happening in this country. They impeached the Vice President, they arrested and abducted the former President and sent him to the Netherlands. We have to bring back decency, stability, integrity, and accountability in government. We need to bring back patriotism. We need to bring back hope. And we have to restore the rectitude and the majesty of laws in this country. We need to stop this, and I think together we can do this. Let's vote straight PDP Laban. Number 10, Jimmy Bondok. Number 22, Bato de la Rosa. Number 28, Bongo. Number 30, JB Hinlo. Number 34, Raul Ambino. Number 38, Dante Marcoleta. Number 53, Apollo Kibuloy. Number 56, Vic Rodriguez. And number 58, Philip Salvador. God bless our country.